Hi, today we will do Biology Chapter 17 start. Very short answer type. First question, name the following. The drug based on arsenic compound, produced in 1910 which killed germs of syphilis. Answer showing on screen. Salvarsan. B. The antibiotic that was discovered first. Answer showing on screen. Penicillin. C. The category of immunity required in the treatment of snake bite. Answer showing on screen. Passive acquired immunity. D. The medicines made by the combination of penicillin and sulfa drugs. Answer showing on screen. Pentidsilf. A. The scientist who discovered the first antibiotic. Answer showing on screen. Alexander Fleming. Second question, write the full forms of the following abbreviations. A. AIDS. Answer showing on screen. Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. B. BCG. Answer showing on screen. Bacillus calmette-guerin. C. DPT. Answer showing on screen. Diphtheria pertussis and tetanus vaccine. D. DDT. Answer showing on screen. Dichlorodiphenyl trichloroethane. A. WHO. Answer showing on screen. World Health Organization. F. HIV. Answer showing on screen. Human immunodeficiency virus. G. STD. Answer showing on screen. Sexually transmitted disease. H. WBC. Answer showing on screen. White blood cell. I. Tab. Answer showing on screen. Typhoid paratyphoid A and B. J. COVID-19. Answers showing on screen. Coronavirus disease 2019. Third question, name. 5 antiseptics. Answer showing on screen. Lysol, carbolic acid, iodine, benzoic acid and boric acid. B. 5 disinfectants. Answer showing on screen. Cresol, phenol, Lysol, lime and 40% formalin. C. 2 antibiotics. Answer showing on screen. Penicillin and streptomycin. D. 2 sulfa drugs. Answer showing on screen. Sulfadiazine and sulfanilamide. A. 2 sexually transmitted diseases. Answer showing on screen. Gonorrhea and syphilis. Short answer type. First one, define the terms. Immunity. Answer showing on screen. Immunity is the resistance to the onset of a disease after infection by harmful germs. B. Antibodies. Answer showing on screen. Antibodies are special types of proteins that are present in our body or are formed in response to any infection or toxin. C. Prophylaxis. Answer showing on screen. Prophylaxis is the prevention of disease through vaccines, medications, hygiene practices, lifestyle changes, and other strategies to reduce the risk and impact of illness. D. Vaccine. Answer showing on screen. Vaccine is a biological formulation that consists of dead or weakened disease-causing organism that provides active acquired immunity to a particular infectious disease. A. Immunization. Answer showing on screen. Developing resistance to disease-producing germs or their toxins by introducing killed germs or germ substances to induce the production of specific antibodies. Second one, correct the following statements by changing the first, last word only. Lysol is an antibiotic. Answer showing on screen. Lysol is an antiseptic. B. The treatment of diseases by the use of chemical substances is known as allopathy. Answer showing on screen. The treatment of diseases by the use of chemical substances is known as chemotherapy. C. RBCs are germ-fighting cells of our body. Answer showing on screen. WBCs are germ-fighting cells of our body. D. Antiseptics are the proteins that belong to the class of immunoglobulins. Answer showing on screen. Antibodies are the proteins that belong to the class of immunoglobulins. A. BCG vaccines are given to small babies orally. Answer showing on screen. BCG vaccines are given to small babies intradermal. Third one, given below is a table of certain vaccines, the diseases against which they are used and the nature of vaccine. Fill up the gaps 1 to 10. Answer showing on screen. First one, typhoid. Second one, killed germs. Third one, poliomyelitis. Fourth one, killed germs. Fifth one, tuberculosis. Sixth one, living weakened germs. Seventh one, smallpox. Eighth one, living fully poisonous germs. Ninth one, diphtheria. 10th one, tetanus. Fourth question, given below is a scheme of classifying immunity against human diseases. Fill up the types of immunity in the blanks 1 to 9. Answer showing on screen. First one, right pointing arrow innate immunity. Second one, right pointing arrow acquired immunity. Third one, right pointing arrow specific immunity. Fourth one, right pointing arrow active acquired immunity. Fifth one, right pointing arrow passive acquired immunity. Sixth one, right pointing arrow natural acquired active immunity. Seventh one, right pointing arrow artificial acquired active immunity. Eighth one, right pointing arrow natural acquired passive immunity. Ninth one, right pointing arrow artificial acquired passive immunity. Fifth question, choose the odd one out and write the category for the remaining terms. A carbolic acid, formalin, benzoic acid, boric acid. Answer showing on screen. Odd one out, formalin, disinfectant. Carbolic acid, benzoic acid, boric acid, antiseptic. B. Mercurochrome, cresol, phenol, Bordeaux mixture. Answer showing on screen. Odd one out, mercurochrome, antiseptic. Cresol, phenol, Bordeaux mixture, disinfectant. C. ATP, DPT, BCG, tab. Answer showing on screen. Odd one out, ATP, energy providing compound formed during respiration. DPT, BCG, tab, vaccine. D. Saliva, sweat, skin, tears. Answer showing on screen. Odd one out, skin. Saliva, sweat, tears, germ killing secretions. A. Chloromycetin, streptomyces, streptomycin, aureomycin. Answer showing on screen. Odd one out, streptomyces, bacterium. Chloromycetin, streptomycin, aureomycin, antibiotics. Sixth question, list any 4 ways in which the antibiotics are being used. Answer showing on screen. 4 applications of antibiotics. A. Antibiotics have a wide use in medicine to fight infections. B. Certain antibiotics are used as food preservatives, especially fresh meat and fish. C. Some antibiotics are used in treating animal feed to prevent internal infection. D. Some antibiotics are used for controlling plant pathogens. Seventh question, list the merits of local defense system. Answer showing on screen. Merits of local defense system are: A. Local defense systems start working instantaneously. B. These systems are not dependent on previous exposure to infections. C. They are effective against a wide range of potentially infectious agents. Long answer type. First one, differentiate between A. Antiseptic and antibiotic. Answer showing on screen. Antiseptic. It is a mild chemical substance applied to the body to kill germs. Antibiotic. It is a chemical substance produced by the microbes which kills or hinders the growth of microbes. B. Antiseptic and disinfectant. Answer showing on screen. Antiseptic. These are mild chemical substances which, when applied on the body, kill germs. These substances cause no harm to the skin and body. Disinfectant. These are strong chemical substances that are applied on spots and places where germs thrive and multiply. C. Disinfectant and deodorant. Answer showing on screen. Disinfectant. These are strong chemical substances that are applied on spots and places where germs thrive and multiply. Deodorant. They are neither antiseptics nor disinfectants. They are used to mask bad smell and are aerosols. D. Vaccination and sterilization. Answer showing on screen. Vaccination. It is the practice of artificially introducing the germs or the germ substance into the body for developing resistance to particular diseases. Sterilization. Process of elimination of microbes from a surface contained in a fluid, in compounds such as biological culture media or in medication. A. Active immunity and passive immunity. Answer showing on screen. Active immunity, developed by an individual due to a previous infection or antigen which naturally enters the body. Passive immunity, immunity provided to an individual from an outside source as ready-made antibodies. F. Innate immunity and acquired immunity. Answer showing on screen. Innate immunity, it is the immunity by the virtue of genetic constitutional makeup, i.e., it is inherited from parents. It is present in the body without any external stimulation or a previous infection. Acquired immunity, it is the resistance to a disease the body acquires in his lifetime. Second one, the principle of vaccination is to produce immunity against a disease. Explain. Answer showing on screen. A. Vaccination is artificially introducing germs or its substances in the body in order to develop resistance to a particular disease. B. This practice is scientifically referred to as prophylaxis and the material being introduced into the body is called the vaccine. C. The vaccine or germ substance is introduced into the body usually by injection or orally sometimes. D. Inside the body, the vaccine stimulates lymphocytes to produce antibodies against the germs for that particular disease. A. Antibodies are an integral part of our immunity. Their function is to destroy the unwanted particles which enter the body. F. Vaccines give our immunity a signal to synthesize particular antibodies, therefore, the principle of vaccination is to provide immunity against a disease. Third one, abnormally large number of WBCs in the blood are usually an indication of some infection in our body. Comment on the statement. Answer showing on screen. Whenever a germ or infection invades the body, the immune system receives a signal to synthesize particular antibodies. In response to the quantity of germ multiplication in the body, white blood cells multiply rapidly, which enables it to produce more antibodies, thereby stopping the infection on time. Consequently, abnormal numbers of WBCs are an indication of some infection in the body. 4.1. Explain briefly the role of the following health aids. Antiseptics. Answer showing on screen. Antiseptics are mild chemical substance applied to the body to prevent its growth and kill germs. Example, iodine and Lysol. B. Disinfectants. Answer showing on screen. These are the chemicals that kill microbes once they come in contact with them, they are too strong to be used on the body. Example, phenol and cresol. C. Vaccines. Answer showing on screen. They are the substances that are administered in the body to provide passive immunity. These are the materials that are germs or secreted by germs. Example, DTP, OPV. Fifth one, suppose a person develops the disease diphtheria. Comment upon the principle of the treatment he should receive. Answer showing on screen. Diphtheria is a serious bacterial infectious disease. It leads to cold, cough, sneeze. If left untreated in severe cases, it may lead to paralysis or heart failure. Treatment includes a combination of medications and supportive care. The most important step is prompt intravenous administration of diphtheria toxoid, which is made harmless. The harmless toxoid, once administered in a patient's body, triggers the production of antibodies against the pathogens causing diphtheria. Sixth one, why is it important to know how the germs leave the body of a patient? Answer showing on screen. It's important to know how the germs leave the body of a patient as there are some diseases and infections which are transmitted through air, water, or just by direct contact. Therefore, to take precautions and protect others from further infections, it is must to know how the germs move out of the body of a patient. Structured application, skill type. First one, the figures A, B and C given below represent a kind of protective method in our body. Study the same and answer the following question. Name and define the process which occurs in figure A and B. What kind of blood cell is shown in the figures? Aids to Health, Concise Biology Solutions, ICSE Class 9. Name and define the process which occurs in figure A. B. What kind of blood vessel is shown in figure A? Write its one specific structural feature. C. Name and define the process occurring in figure B. D. What kind of blood cell is shown in the figures? Write its technical name also. A. Name the specific type of cell containing a 4-lobe nucleus of the category answered by you in part 4 above. Answer showing on screen. The process is diapedesis. It is defined as the squeezing of WBCs through the wall of capillaries into the tissues. B. Capillary wall. It is thin and semi-permeable. C. The process is phagocytosis. It is the process in which WBCs engulf particle-like solid substances, especially bacteria. D. White blood cell, WBC, leukocyte. A. Neutrophil. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more answers.